Nature is like a wonderful green music. Tree, green leaves and birds are the wonderful creation of nature. We need to be living in this beautiful world. Sun's rays, snow droplets falling on the leaf. This scene touches our heart. A new start every morning of nature. Slowly through the fields, the wind touches us, reminds us of the peace of nature. This nature is full of beautiful colors, fine sound. The colors in this nature brighten our lives. A small seed in nature providing food crops is the emergence of great crop, the same peanuts. This seed provides us with livelihood. This little seed is a food source for millions of people. This is possible with the efforts of the farmers. It's travel from seed to our food. Evidence of the relationship between nature and human efforts. This journey is about the elasticity, the challenges that overcome us, and the spirit of the farmers who give life from this earth. The efforts of the farmers are very valuable for us. Let's enter the fascinating world of peanut cultivation. This world shows us the greatness of nature. Let's explore this wonderful plant journey. This journey conveys the wonders of nature. This journey begins with a simple action. Farmers carefully plant each seed in the ground. The fertile soil in the ground provides the nutrients needed to sprout. Within a few days, the miracle of peanut life begins with a small plant and grows the plant gradually, with green leaves towards the sky. Nutrients and water from the ground. Its roots are deeply rooted into the ground and grab the ground. The plant grows yellow flowers. These flowers are key to plant yields. After the pollination, the flowers fade, but under the floor, a miracle happens. The flower stems rise in length and descend into the ground. This is where peanuts form, each of the vault with nutritious nuts. A plant contains dozens of nuts, 1 to 3 peanuts in each. However, the yield is not always stable. It varies from the farm to the farm, from the area to the area. Faults such as soil extract, water availability, and farmer skills affect yields. A healthy farm gives good yields. Farmers bring happiness and well-being. Nature obstacles challenges in cultivation. But travel from seed to crop is challenged. Pests and diseases can damage crops. Small insects absorb the juice from the plants. Fungal diseases cause foliage. Farmers should be vigilant. Their farms should be constantly monitored for signs of any problem. They use a combination of traditional knowledge and modern methods to protect their crops. There are some tools in their weapons: organic pesticides, crop transplantation, and immune types. Unseen accident. Climate change and its impact. Climate change is one of the most serious challenges we face. This is not just a future problem, it will always affect our lives. The threat of climate change brings more hardship to farmers. The farms are dry and crops are difficult to grow. Unexpected changes in the atmosphere, drought and floods are the most common occurrence. These extreme weather conditions are making the lives of farmers. These events destroy the entire farm, and farmers are struggling to deal with losses. The destruction of crops also increases financial losses. Nature's sensitive balance is damaging, causing a significant challenge to peanut. Peanut crops are drying up, farmers are severely damaged, and new techniques are essential. These problems can be overcome only by using modern farming practices and technologies. Drought-resistant varieties, effective irrigation methods, and climate-pro agricultural practices are crucial for the future of peanuts. These methods are not just about the new hopes for the farmers, not just to protect the crop, but to protect the livelihood of millions of people who rely on it. The families of the farmers, their future are based on these crops. On the steady future, it is time for us to work together. A small example of peanut agriculture and challenges faced by farmers. Problems faced by farmers, climate change, and shortage of resources. In changing environment, it is important to support stable farming practices. It is important to raise crops without harm to the environment. Methods that are in harmony with nature, preserve resources and power to adopt and grow. These methods will help us in the future. Remember that our options affect as customer. The products we buy will determine our future. Choosing stable produced products, supporting the environment. By supporting fair trade practices, reducing food waste, we can protect the environment. We all need to play a role in building a more stable and equivalent food system. This is our collective responsibility. The future of our land and peanut cultivation depends on our collective action. Every action we take affects the future.